Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial, you will learn how to seamlessly translate the text on your order form so that your customers can effortlessly place their orders. Having an order form in the same language as your funnel can significantly improve your user experience and boost your conversion rates. Two things before we continue. First, if you don't have your Clickfunnels 2.0 account yet, you can find the link to an extended 30-day trial in the description of this video. And if you use our link to create your Clickfunnels 2.0 account, you will also receive our Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. And if you're already using ClickFunnels, in the description you will find links to package deals that will help you save up to 44% on your ClickFunnels subscription. And second, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications to not miss out on the future videos. Alright, to translate the elements on your order form, open the order form in the page editor. Then go to the settings of the checkout element and scroll to the bottom to the text settings. Here you will be able to change the text for all the text elements that you have on the checkout form. We have the text for the buttons, for the headlines, different inputs like for contact information, shipping and billing information, payment information, and luckily the ClickFunnels team also included the summary text and different texts like loading screens and other texts that you will see on the checkout form. And all you need to do to add the translation to the checkout element is to enter the text in the right fields that you need on your checkout form. Let me quickly adjust some text elements and then we will proceed. Now I updated the majority of the text elements that I have on my checkout form. For example, the contact information, the headlines here, the information about the credit card, and also the order summary and the button text. But as you can see, there is still some information in English, and that's the information about the products, the main product and the order bump product. And there are a few ways how you can change that text. You can either go to the checkout settings, then go to the product select, click Edit Products, and go to the settings of the product. In these fields, you will be able to change the title and the description of this product, and this will override the information about this product only for this page. As you can see, the title of the product was changed. Alternatively, you can go to the product section in your ClickFunnels account, then go to the product settings and update the information for this product. In this case, the information will be updated for this product on all the pages where you have this product represented. Now let's save the changes and see how this checkout element looks for the customers. We preview the page. All the text elements that we translated in the settings of the checkout element are still there, they are not in English, and the product title that I overrode in the settings of the product is also in German. That's it for today. Now you know how to translate the text on your order form in Clickfunnels 2.0. I hope that this tutorial helps you create a smoother experience for your customers and boost your conversions. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on our future content. And I will see you in the next video.